The next most important compound is bleaching powder. Yes, very important. We'll understand its physical property, its chemical properties and its uses. Bleaching powder looks somewhat like this. Yes, you all have seen it at home. Let's understand what is its common name. It is commonly called as chloride of lime. Its chemical formula is CaOCl2. It's also called as calcium oxychloride. The other name of bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. Nature is again amorphous. Now when I say amorphous, it means very smooth to touch. Color, all of you know it is white in color. Solubility, if we try to dissolve in water, it is fairly soluble in water. When I say fairly, not completely, partially get soluble in water. Let's move ahead with the study of bleaching powder. How bleaching powder is formed under the heading of formation of bleaching powder. When a dry slag lime, that is calcium hydroxide, reacts with chlorine gas, it forms bleaching powder. Let's study this in the form of a chemical reaction. When we take calcium hydroxide and make it react with chlorine gas, there is a formation of bleaching powder, that is CaOCl2, along with the release of H2O. Now when we expose this bleaching powder to air, what happens? Let's understand. Carbon dioxide from air decomposes bleaching powder and releases chlorine gas. Very important gas which comes out of bleaching powder, which is very important. So calcium oxychloride or bleaching powder, it reacts with carbon dioxide gas present in the air and it forms calcium carbonate along with the release of chlorine gas. Now this gas is very important. So this decomposition is brought about by carbon dioxide gas present in the air. And this chlorine which is released is called as available chlorine. The bleaching powder brands available in the market are classified on the basis of percentage of available chlorine present in them. More the chlorine, better is the quality of that bleaching powder. Let's understand something more about bleaching powder under the heading of its uses. Very important compound. It has bleaching action on cotton in textile industry, wood pulp in paper industry, and it wash clothes in laundry. We heard we are giving clothes for bleaching purpose, so that is why we use their bleaching powder. The next most important use of bleaching powder is it is used as an oxidizing agent because compound has molecular formula CaOCl2 and it gives oxygen and therefore it is called as a very good oxidizing agent. So on reacting with a small amount of dilute acid, it gives out nascent oxygen which is called, therefore it is called as it is very good oxidizing agent. The next use, it is useful in the preparation of organic solvent which is also used as an anesthetic, that is chloroform. So it is used in making of chloroform which is anesthetic, very dangerous. Medicine that cause temporary loss of sensation and dangerous to use. With this, we finished the study of bleaching powder. Let's learn something more about salt in next module.